This video will focus on stretching and massaging the neck and shoulders to relieve neck pain and headaches. You will need a chair, T3 massager, neck restore, foam roller, and Teeter inversion table. Chin glides. Sit on a bench or chair as tall as possible. Use your finger to guide the movement of your chin straight back, keeping your chin parallel to the floor. Try to get your ears over your shoulders and maintain a comfortable range of motion. Keep your mouth closed, chin forward and chin back. Allow the movement to flow smoothly. Repeat this motion for 30 seconds. Trigger point massage. Sit tall in a chair and apply gentle pressure with the pressure point knob on your trapezius muscle between the neck and the shoulder. Feel around and adjust to focus on any tender spots, holding pressure for 20 seconds or until you feel it release. Then switch sides. Neck restore. Position the neck restore behind your neck close to the base of your skull. Let all your neck and shoulder muscles relax. Find the perfect spot where you're comfortably extending your neck and letting the arch work out these tense neck muscles. Simply hold this position and relax for 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Then rotate the neck restore to one side to stretch out the side neck muscles. Hold for 30 seconds and rotate to the other side. This can help restore your neck to a comfortable range of motion. Foam rolling breathing exercise. Position the foam roller vertically under your back. Place your arms at 90 degrees. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your belly to the fullest. Exhale for 4 seconds through your mouth, emptying all the air out of your lungs. Repeat 10 times. Inversion table neck mobilization. At any angle, reach overhead and alternate pulling your head gently from side to side for 10 seconds, elongating the muscles along the neck. Then in full inversion, hang fully relaxed with your arms overhead. Slowly circle your head in one direction, then the other.